Location not suitable for families, very old area. I didn't / no Dubai has such place as well. Looks like an old area of India. If only males are traveling then it / is okay but not recommended for families.
I like that it's so easy to check out. It is very cheap, so definitely expect nothing spectacular, less than what you normally experience from a good hotel. The shampoo is surprisingly nice.
The staff are very polite and nice and have been very helpful. Rest the area wasn't a good area as I had a problem looking for taxis and taxis had trouble as well.
I will be honest and sincere to say that the worst receptionist approach and mood of conduct was experienced in this hotel. The receptionist guy I meet at night around 8 p.m. during my check-in and spoke to me in a bad manner and insulted me.
First of all, receptionist attitude was not good with customer and they were dealing very rough and retrospectively. One very bad thing, I visit from Saudi Arabia, they did not allow my relatives visitor to my room. One Filipino was very rude and even Pakistani guys also.
Room smells strongly of cleaning detergent, unpleasant, bathroom and bed cleanliness not up to expectation. Towels smell funny, again, unpleasant cleaning detergent, internet stopped working quite often.